16 high-fiber foods you should eat every day. Hello there, audience. We frequently overlook the importance of fiber in our diet. Although it may appear insignificant, fiber is really beneficial to your health. It regulates your digestive system and keeps you fuller for longer, reducing blood sugar surges. In today's video, we'll go over 16 high-fiber foods that you should consume on a regular basis. How much fiber do broccoli and beets provide? What about split peas and chickpeas? Is artichokes a decent option? All of this and more will be discussed. Broccoli. Green vegetables are high in minerals and fiber, especially cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli. It is one of the most nutrient-dense meals available. Vitamin C, antioxidants, folate, and iron are abundant. A lot of vitamins B and K, as well as potassium and manganese. 1 cup of broccoli contains nearly 3 grams of fiber. That's a lot of money. Broccoli tastes best when eaten fresh, steamed, or lightly sauteed. Heat for an extended period of time destroys substances such as vitamin C. My favorite way to prepare broccoli is to lightly saute it with cubed tofu. Season with black salt and pepper to taste. Squeeze some lemon juice over top and stir. You now have a tasty snack ready. It's also healthful. What is your favorite way to consume broccoli? Do you eat it on its own or with pasta and noodles? In the comments section below, please share your preferences with the Bestie community. Artichoke. Artichoke may not be widely known, but that doesn't make it any less nutritious. It's one of the best fiber sources on the planet. A single French artichoke contains 7 grams of fiber. But before you eat this vegetable, there's something else you should know. Much depends on how you eat them. Artichokes' nutritional value might be increased or decreased depending on how they are prepared. Steaming and boiling aid in the breakdown of cell walls. This implies that the antioxidants included in artichokes are easily absorbed by your body. Consume artichokes that have been boiled or steamed. Nothing was fried. The Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, like their distant relative broccoli, are high in nutrients and fiber. This cruciferous vegetable is high in antioxidants, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. 1 cup of raw Brussels sprouts has more than 3 grams of fiber. You can eat them however you like. However, how about Brussels sprouts with roasted bacon and apples? With a drizzle of balsamic vinegar on top, you have one fantastic supper. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are juicy and ripe. They create delectable soups and sauces. However, there is more to this antioxidant-rich vegetable. Antioxidants, vitamin C and K, potassium, and folate are abundant. 1 cup of diced tomatoes also contains 2 grams of fiber. So eat your tomatoes in soups or add them raw to salads. Make certain that you consume them in their cooked state. The potent antioxidants inherent in tomatoes are enhanced by roasting and grilling. Beans from the kidney. These are among the most popular legumes, and for good reason. They are packed with nutrients and flavor. These beans can be used in a variety of cuisines, including lentil soup and curry. Cook them alongside rice. Risotto is a delectable dish created from kidney beans. But have you considered why they are so popular? It's the abundance of vitamins and minerals they provide. Potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and iron are examples. You'll also receive plenty of fiber. 1 cup of cooked kidney beans has 12 grams of dietary fiber. Isn't that amazing? Lentils. Do you want a fiber-rich soup? You'll probably enjoy lentil soup. It's all because of the high levels of fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. They are also high in plant-based protein, potassium, and zinc. Because of the fiber content, it will keep you fuller for longer. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains 13 grams of fiber. The best aspect is that you may select from a wide range of lentils: red, yellow, green, black, and many other colors. You will never be without options. Peas. Split peas are another high-fiber food. A cup of cooked split peas contains 16 grams of fiber. Isn't it fantastic? But exactly what are split peas? They are made with dried, split, and peeled pea seeds. You can roast them and eat them as a crunchy snack, or you can make split pea soup. On a cold winter evening, sip it hot. Quinoa. Quinoa is sometimes referred to as a faux cereal. Whatever name you call it, there's no denying that quinoa is good for your body, particularly your digestive system. It's all down to the high fiber content of them. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains 5 grams of fiber. Aside with fiber, you'll also receive magnesium, protein, potassium, zinc, and iron. Quinoa is also an excellent source of antioxidants. When you're looking for a nutritious snack, try quinoa porridge. Add vegetables like broccoli and tomatoes to make it more nutritional. Beetroot. Beetroots are an excellent complement to salads and soups. This red-colored root vegetable isn't simply for coloring your food. It also provides fiber as well as minerals such as copper, iron, manganese, potassium, and folate. 1 cup of raw beets contains 4 grams of fiber. This fibrous vegetable is high in inorganic nitrates, which have a variety of health benefits. Try a salad with Dijon lemon beets. You'll love beets, I promise. I guarantee it. Before we continue, here's another video you might enjoy. Take a look at this definitive guide to every vitamin your body requires to thrive. Chickpeas, another fiber-rich and healthful option. So much so that a cup of cooked chickpeas has 12 grams of nutritional fiber. That's very kind of you. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein. Aside from that, you'll receive manganese, copper, iron, folate, and phosphorus. What is there not to love about chickpeas? As if its incredible nutritional profile wasn't enough, this bean may be eaten in a variety of ways. Roasted spicy chickpeas are an option. What about a chickpea curry? Chickpeas can also be used to make one of the simplest types of spread. Confused? I'm referring to hummus. Enjoy a snack by dipping nachos in chickpea-based hummus. My favorite way to consume them is in a salad with boiled chickpeas and chopped vegetables such as tomatoes and cucumber. Add finely chopped onions at the end. Season with black salt and pepper. Don't forget to squeeze half a lemon on top for some extra zing. Oats? Do you want a fiber-rich breakfast? Oatmeal is nourishing, light on the stomach, and high in fiber. A single cup contains over 17 grams of dietary fiber. But it isn't all. Oatmeal is one of the most nutrient-dense grains in the world. This grain contains a high concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Oat fiber is particularly beneficial because it is a highly soluble fiber. It has a beneficial effect on blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Chia petals. Chia seeds have recently become highly trendy. This is due to their intriguing flavor, distinct texture, and excellent nutritional profile. They have been the preferred option for people attempting to lose weight. But why is this the case? What makes chia seeds so beneficial to dieters? Of course, the answer is in the fiber. Chia seeds keep you fuller for longer and help you avoid overeating. It's all because of the fiber in them. To be exact, 1 ounce of dry chia seeds has 10 grams of fiber. This is so good that chia seeds are easily the best source of fiber on the planet. Almonds. Almonds are high in nutrients. We're all aware of it. They are also an excellent plant-based milk alternative. You might be surprised by the fiber content. They are modest in size, yet packed with vitamins and fiber. Raw almonds have 13 grams of fiber per 100 grams. Healthy fats, magnesium, vitamin E, and manganese are also included. When you're on a diet, they make an excellent snack. Just remember to watch your portions. Calories can easily mount up. Popcorn. Really? On a healthy food list? Yes. Popcorn is a great snack to eat if you want to improve your fiber consumption. But we're talking about the air-popped variety. If you're monitoring your calories, leave out the butter. 100 grams of air-popped popcorn contains 15 grams of fiber. Just be careful not to add too much fat. Otherwise, the fiber-to-calorie ratio will plummet dramatically. Chocolate. Dark. Who does not enjoy dark chocolate? You now have even more reasons to consume it. It has fiber. However, make certain that the dark chocolate contains at least 70% cocoa. Even better is a score of 95% or higher. The health advantages of dark chocolate are greater. 1 ounce of 70 to 85% cocoa contains 3 grams of fiber. To be more specific, each 100 grams of dark chocolate has 11 grams of fiber. Dark chocolate is also high in antioxidants and can help you feel better. Avoid sugary dark chocolates and exercise portion control. It's also excellent for your brain because of the nutrients and antioxidants it contains. The sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are tasty, satisfying, and nutritious. There will be plenty of vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals such as manganese. They're even good as bread alternatives. But it isn't all. The fiber content of sweet potatoes is high. A medium-sized boiling sweet potato contains 4 grams of fiber. Why not replace mashed potatoes with mashed sweet potatoes? Fiber-rich foods are excellent. But what about foods that are high in nutrients? Are there any items that appear on both lists? I hear you, bread lovers. There must be nutritious breads that are high in fiber and nutrients. Here's how to obtain all of them. Let us know in the comment section below.